Good morning everyone. I'm glad to have the opportunity to present this presentation. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. I'm Lee Syn Ju, an accountancy student from Polytechnic Kuching, Sarawak, with registration number 05DAT19F1997. I have done my industrial training at CKK Hardware. This company had established in year 2016, located in lot 888, Bagunan, Taitung, with the postcode 94700 at Serian, Sarawak. And my supervisor name is Madam Bong Juju. I will start off with the task on the account system. Then I will move on to the task on sources document. Next, I will be looking at EPF and progressor. As you can see in my screen, in my task, I have learned how to record the received payment transaction from a debtor by using AutoCount system. And I had created a new received payment for a debtor. First, insert the debtor name or a debtor account, then choose the payment method. It can be payment by cash or payment by bank. Next, key in the payment amount that debtor paid for. Lastly, note of the invoice below. And I also learned how to record the payment transaction with creditor. First, open AP payment, then create a new payment transaction. Insert the creditor company name or creditor account. Choose the payment method. It can be by cash or by bank. And key in the payment amount that need to pay. Last, log off the invoice below, and the total outstanding amount will be remaining debts. Other than that, I also learned how to issue the invoice for the debtor. An invoice is a document that copies from the delivery order, then it will not affect the inventory movement. But for the new invoice, it will affect the inventory movement. To create a new invoice, first key in the debtor account or debtor company name. Insert the delivery order number as a reference number. Next, click on the plus button to add the item code and change the unit price and quantity if need. The supervisor had taught me how to create a new purchase invoice after we receive goods from supplier company. First, choose the supplier company name or creditor account. Key in the supplier delivery order number and invoice number, and both of the documents can be referred on the invoice. Click on the plus button to add the item code and make sure all the documents such as quantity, unit price and total price are saved with the invoice. After saving the transaction, the stock quantity will be automatically updated. Every day I issue the cash sales from cash bill. I create a new cash sales for every customer who make a purchase good. Select the related debtor account or debtor names to the assist debtor. For the non-assist debtor, I will create a new debtor account for them. Next, click on the plus button to add the item code. Transfer all the item code from the cash bill to cash sales. Make sure all the documents such as unit price, quantity, and total price are accurate. Click on Sales, then Key in the payment amount that has been received. Click on OK to save the transaction. In this cash bill, I will record the purchased good from the customer, and it will record the item name, item code, some description, unit price, quantity, and total price. When we receive the payment from the customer, the red color cash bill will give it to customer as evidence they had paid for the goods. I also issue a delivery order for the debtor. In delivery order, it will record the item name, description, quantity, and customer name. When the debtor has received the goods from us, they need to sign below the delivery order as evidence they had received the goods. The purchase order will be issued when the goods has finished or the customer orders some unique goods, for example 14 feet roofing, and this bill will mention to the supplier company name and the description of the goods and the quantity. Every end of the month, supervisor will give me a mission, which is make a payment of EPF and SOCSO for each employee. Employee Provident Funds (EPF) is a federal statutory body under the purview of the Ministry of Finance. It manages the compulsory saving plan and retirement for private sector worker in Malaysia. SOCSO is a government agency formed in year 1971 under the Ministry of Human Resources for the purpose to give social security protection in terms of cash or benefit to the employee in the private sector in case of the working in church emergencies, occupational sickness, and death. I have some comments and suggestions. First, extend the industrial training period so students could get more experience and skill from company to be more professional. Second, students need more meeting time with lecturer so students can reduce problem about their report. Well, that's all from me. Thank you.